Impact-resistant neo-Mylar soft dome tweeter elements for great sound quality and added reliability. Silver alpha-cellulose cones for musical power with added resistance to the elements. Moisture-resistant rubber surround with high mid-bass impact. Anti-resonant stamped steel basket so you only hear the music, not the speaker. Spade speaker terminals for quick installation. Top reviews from the United States. Good speakers. Replaced old factory speaker with these in a 98F150. Sound great compared to the shot-out ones they replaced. If you want a good cheap speaker, these will fit your needs.